Hey, what's up? My name is Chris, and I want to invite you to MultiVocal Weekend from 27 till 30 of October, 4 days of amazing workshops. It's something fresh if you never were on my workshop. You know, it's balancing working with voice and unblocking the voice. It's working with production, working with mental health, but mainly with your creativity. So going deep with stuff and finding your own way to have a successful career with your own material. And next to people that will register for the MultiVocal Weekend will get a discount. Instead of €450, 350. All the best. Cheers.